So I'm going to close off this discussion with a problem in percent composition. Again, this is sort of just a general review of the basic techniques of chemistry that I'm just going to go over quickly. And one sort of standard problem is percent composition. In other words, if I have some compound like C6H12O6, which is glucose, what percentage of it by mass is carbon? What percentage of it is hydrogen? What percentage of it is oxygen? So I'm just going to do one of those problems just so you see the general process as a review. Okay. So percent composition by mass. And generally they'll be talking about mass. If they talk about anything else, they'll specify what they mean. Okay, so calculate the percent composition of each element in. So calculate excuse me, the percent composition of each element in MgNO32. So this is magnesium nitrate. Well, let's see what we've got. So basically when we're calculating percent composition, as you know, a percent is a part over the whole. So we're going to take the mass of magnesium over the whole, the mass of nitrogen over the whole, and the mass of oxygen over the whole. So let's see what we've got. Magnesium is 24.31 grams per mole. And then we have two nitrogens. That comes to 28.02 grams per mole. And a gram per mole is the unit of molar mass, which I hope that you're familiar with. And 6 oxygens gives us 96 grams per mole. Okay, so the total mass is going to be 148.33 grams. Therefore, the percent magnesium is equal to 24.31 divided by 148.33 times 100, and you end up with 16.39%. That means of this 148.33 grams, about 16.5% of it is magnesium. That's all that means. Okay, percent nitrogen. It equals 28.02 divided by 148.33 times 100, and you end up with 18.89%. That means of that mass, about 19% of it is nitrogen. And then the percent oxygen, you can either calculate it or you can just add these two and subtract from 100. We're going to get the same answer. 96 divided by 148.33 times 100, and you end up with 64.72%. So in magnesium nitrate, the majority of the mass is actually occupied by oxygen. Okay, thank you for joining us here at Educator.com for our first lesson of AP Chemistry. We'll see you next time.